Hi.
Hey there.
I last year, April 17th, I had eye surgery on my top lid for extra skin, and now I have bad scarring. I have nerve damage from my eyelids, my eyebrows, back into my scalp. Plus, I paid extra to have the bags under my eyes taken out. And I still have the bags, which are worse, and plus the nerve damage and some bad scars that he left. So
you want to know what your recourse would be, I'm assuming. So
right.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you for calling in. We appreciate you sharing, and man, we hate to hear that.
Yeah, I really do hate to hear that. You hear so many, we have a number of people call our offices every day with medical negligence claims. And unfortunately, there's just a lot of claims out there that people have questions about. In your particular situation, it sounds to me like there are going to be certain risks that come along with that type of surgery. You may or may not have been advised of those risks. That's a factor that always comes into play. But one thing about medical negligence cases that we really have to talk to all of our clients about, and all the people that ask us, is that medical negligence cases in Alabama are very difficult. To get to trial, to get before a jury, is extremely expensive. Lawyers that represent clients who have been injured by healthcare providers have to hire experts. Those experts are very expensive. So a lot of times, just to get a case to a trial or before a jury can cost thousands and thousands of dollars. So lawyers who practice medical negligence in the medical negligence field have to be very selective. In other words, you really have to know you've got a very good chance of winning, and winning a substantial amount of money for your client in order to pursue a case to begin with. You very well may have a claim worth pursuing. It certainly doesn't mean that you haven't been injured or that medical negligence hasn't been committed. But every lawyer that you may talk to who practices in this arena is going to have to go through that same evaluation process. So I do wish you the best with that. It's just a really difficult landscape out there for medical negligence claims.
Is there any kind of group or organization that you could report a physician to? Well, if you have concerns?
I mean, there's just the state board of physicians and hospitals. If it's a nurse that may have, or anybody affiliated with the hospital that may have contributed to cause an event like that. But really, there's not.
Just go through the legal process.
I mean, yeah, you go through the legal process. You can complain to the state boards, but I haven't found that really does a lot of good for any particular claim. Now, it's always good to have that information documented because that's how they kind of identify the healthcare providers that continue to have problems time and time again, and hopefully there are repercussions at some point.
Yeah.
But really it's just a matter of whether or not there's a claim and whether or not it's feasible to pursue that claim.